Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this look. If you want to see how I got it, go ahead and keep on watching. So I'm starting off as usual, moisturizing my face and priming the face. Now that is a very important step that you do not want to skip if you want to achieve a flawless makeup. And of course I have to eat something. Now let's jump on to foundation. I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Coverage Foundation, and yes, I noticed it was a little bit too light, but it's alright because we're going to go ahead and contour and bring some color back into the face. And I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild contour stick in the number 806, and I'm also going to be blending that with the Echo Tools Beauty Sponge. And for brightening under the eyes, to color correct, I'm using the Becca Under Eye Corrector and this Maybelline concealer, which I don't remember what it's called, but I will go ahead and leave the name down in the description box as well. And of course, making sure I blend everything out. Taking the Shade and Light palette from Kat Von D, I'm using that yellow shade to go ahead and set where we concealed. And to set the rest of the face, I'm just going to go ahead and use the Essence All About Matte Powder and spray some Fix Plus. Going with the Maybelline concealer just to use it as a primer for my eyeshadow. Now taking this palette from the Balm Cosmetics, it's called Mean Matador. I'm taking that shade all over the eye area. And then this one, I'm going to be applying it on the crease area. Now switching palettes, I'm going to be taking the Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions palette. And I'm going to be taking the darker shade and applying it onto the crease. Kind of blending outwards a little bit towards the outer area. Taking that shade, I'm going to be applying it on the lid. And then I just decided to take that dark shade again on the lid. Taking the lighter shade, I'm applying that on my brow bone. Well, a little bit of dancing there, but for the wing liner, I'm taking the Wet n Wild Mega Slim Skinny Tip Eyeliner and just creating my beautiful, see, I can't even speak right now, creating my beautiful winged liner. Taking the same dark shade and just putting it under the waterline. And for contouring and a little bit of bronzing, I'm taking my favorite Benefit Cosmetics Hoola Bronzer. Now to bronze up a little more, I'm taking Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. For blush, I'm using the Hot Mama blush from the Balm Cosmetics and just making sure to blend everything. And for the highlight that I'm using today, Gerard Cosmetics Marilyn Star Powder. If I could just dip my whole face in it, I probably would. Okay, so a little bit on the Cupid's bow, the nose of my the bridge of my nose. Okay, I officially do not know what is wrong with me today. And also I'm putting it in the inner corner of my eyes. And a black eyeliner from NYX. But as far as the look, it is complete. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and as usual, please subscribe to my channel.
Go.